We're gonna take this thing for a little spin today. We're gonna do some quick little errand. And on the way, I'm gonna just do a little POV video. So let's start her off with a little cold start. I've got Mike's behind the license plate as well. Let's see. She loud and stinky, right, baby?
Right.
So I'm on E40, apparently pushing 700 horse, CATLESS downpipes. I got a FI exhaust with a single mid pipe, and yeah, let's go. I'm gonna go to the watch store and say hi to my buddies over there. So yeah. All right, let's do this. You ready, baby? All right, let's do it. I wonder how these mics are gonna sound. Feeling pretty good, babe. Damn, this thing hasn't changed fucking beast. Change it, baby.
Blare up my nasty straw.
A little lip gloss.
Oh, yeah.
Two long fucking lights. Come on, bro.
Approaching a railroad crossing.
definitely feel it's over 700 horsepower. It's fast as fuck.
I know, but there's this cock block.
Yeah, cock block. Wow, that sounds nuts. It's so fast, I can't even like give it a quick blip. It'll get too close to the car.
Yeah.
It's crazy. I'm not gonna lie, this whole ethanol thing is pretty sweet, babe. We might having to put that gas in it, find gas stations with it only when we go on road trips, because
It's worth it.
dude, yeah, it's super worth it. Like, do you remember yesterday how the car felt? You were like, holy shit, this is fast. Now it's just
It's scary fast.
I mean, that's just insane. That's just insane.
It feels insane.
It literally sounds like a totally different car. Drives like a different car. It's amazing.
I know.
I thought this thing was fast when we first got it, 530 horsepower. And then I did the CS tune and I was like, oh, that's so fast. And you even thought it was pretty fast, huh?
Yeah. But this doesn't compare.
No way. I'm putting fucking corn gas in this bitch for sure.
Corn gas.
It's really nice. Just go in front of this guy. What a difference. It's fucked up. This is so unbelievably addictive. Let's go down fourth gear.
I feel so scared.
Hey, you know what, babe? When you scream like that and you're all scared, it'd probably get more views. Gonna have to scare you more often in this thing now. You were not
right
screaming.
now it's not that bad. Or it's not bad. No, it's not good because there's so many cars in the way.
Yeah, when there's too many cars, I don't like doing stupid shit like that.
It echoed really nicely though.
Yeah, oh yeah, under the tunnel. I know, babe. It's pretty fucking loud.
Ain't no joke.
Is there parking up front? Please, God. Oh yeah, look, there is. Waiting for me right there. Alrighty. Well, y'all few people, whole 600 subscribers that probably forgot about me because you subscribed to me like 7 fucking 8 years ago. I hope you enjoyed watching. I'm gonna be doing POV drives because it's fucking easy and fun, so thank you.